Okay, I'm Otto, Marketing Manager for Cougar. Welcome to Computex. We're here live now at the booth, and I'm just going to show you a couple of our cool things coming up for the near future. So we come this way. So one of the things that we've done for this year, because of the growing trend in AI and AI applications.
Wollte schon immer mal ein Igors Video sein.
Hau ab, du Sack!
Small world.
Moment.
Ja, jetzt klar, jetzt bist du mal.
Okay, continuing. So we have here. We have ready for local AI applications, a new series we call the NU series of AI workstation chassis. These are not for sale yet. These are proof of concept and proof of capability prototypes. And they come in two form factors, one of the full tower and a mid tower. The thing that separates these from the rest of our cases is that they have a dual GPU capacity to handle the processing workload of AI applications. And the full tower comes also with dual PSU capacity. The mid tower comes with a single, and the full tower also comes with dual cooling capacity. You have a top 360 and a front 360. You can install a top 420 if you wanted, but then you have to install a single loop only. So either a 420 on top and a 360 in front, or 360 on top and 360 in front. To complement the workstations, we also have a high wattage power supply unit. They're very powerful, and they're optimized to handle very long, intense peak load operations. Again, these are prototypes and they're proof of concept, not for sale yet, although we will plan to in the future. So moving on. Now we're moving on to things you can actually buy now. Yeah, so again, these are more gaming and home and user-related targeted products. This is the Duo Air. So the cool thing with this is that front panel is completely interchangeable. You can have a mesh or a glass, and all you do is just switch it around. No fuss. So you don't need to buy two different cases if you like two different looks. You just buy the one, you swap it out as you feel like it. So come down here. The cool thing about this one is that we've moved the PSU cabin to the front. So normally when you have two bottom fans, you don't get much air because the PSU cabin in the way, but if you move the PSU cabin in the front, you actually get a real intake, vertical. This model comes with 5 pre-installed fans, so 2 at the front, 1 at the back, and 2 at the bottom. And what's different about this RGB from the rest of our RGBs is that the fans come with a ring of the RGBs, and that's so it gives it a little bit of a special look. And so this is the Duo Air. Moving on, our next highlighted product, this is the CFV 220, and this continues last year's CFV 235. And what I mean it continues is that we build, for the CFV series, we try and integrate the airflow directly into the structure of the case itself. And so what we have here is what we call the central flow vent. It's an open space built into the case itself. So with the 2 bottom fans, it has a completely open chamber of air to access intake.
It's better to clean.
Beg pardon?
Better to clean.
Yes, it's very easy to clean. And with this one as well, we have actually 3 sides of glass. So we call it panoramic plus. So there's one more side of glass you can see your build from. So that's the cool thing. All right. This is the MX600 Max. This is already out. This is available now. And so the immediate thing that you'll notice is that it has enormous fans in front. It comes with 2 front 200mm fans. So very powerful airflow. Also, the other cool thing is that this airflow ramp here is common to all M600 series, but this has been retuned. So if you notice that there's 2 points of curvature in the ramp, and this just gets it's a better direction for the airflow, and it's a bit more focused. And it continues, it has the square perforation, square vents instead of circular, and that increases the ventilation by about 11%. So yeah, so these are our cases. Do we want to move on to cooling? Too long? All right. All right. New liquid coolers. Data display, customizable visuals. This is the LQX Pro 360. It's the flagship model of this series. The difference, the cool thing here, the new thing here is that there's a VRM fan directly built into the pump head. You can't see the fan from here, but what this does is it draws in from the intake vents here and cools the motherboards directly. And so 320 fans. These are VRX fans. What's new about this is that these are annular fans, so that they have a ring outside. It's molded into one piece, so it has less flex, less turbulence. You have more reliable operation at a much lower noise level. The LQX Elite 360, magnetic front. Doesn't have the display, but it does have a full panel RGB panel here, so it looks pretty. And a matte finish, so you get a bit more ambience. And finally, our air cooler. FRZ series air coolers. We have 612, this is our flagship. This is a dual tower cooling. You have 2 fans, you can't see the middle one obviously. It comes with a temperature data display and RGB strip. This is the single tower version of the same cooler. Again, comes with a digital display, RGB strip. And finally, this one, the 412 Elite, slightly different. This is the entry version of this series, and it has no display, no strip, and also the fans are slightly different. These two are fluid dynamic bearing fans, and this is a rifle bearing fan, and this is the entry level. So, wrapping up, that's all we've got. That's our highlights of the show at Computex 2026 from Cougar.